Alright, so for today's video, I'll be reviewing the brand new Supreme waist bag for the Spring/Summer 20 season, and this bag retailed for $98. And right here, I have it in the blue chocolate chip camo colorway, and if you don't like this color, there are 3 other colors you can get, and they're going to be gold, black, and red. So if you don't like this color, there are a couple other options that you can decide from. And for this video, I'll be giving you a close-up review of it just so you can see all the features of this bag. And then at the end of the video, I'll be throwing this bag on just so you can see what it looks like on a person, just to give you a size perspective of it. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And if you would, before the video gets started, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And now let's get right into it. So starting off the outside of this bag is made of a mixture of this mesh material as well as the Cordura fabric that pretty much all the past Supreme bags are made out of. And then starting off the front of the bag, there is the iconic box logo branding on the front. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it just because the camo pattern is printed on top of the mesh, but it does say Supreme right here in black. And if you want to see that, you have to unzip this front pouch, which I'll do right now so you can see it. So there's the Supreme branding on the inside, and there's no camo pattern printed on this blue part on the inside, so it does say Supreme in there. So nice little touch. And also on the front, there are 2 clips on either side, which to unclip that's how you get to the main compartment. And then these straps are adjustable, and they're made out of that camo Cordura fabric. And then on the end of each strap, there is a little loop in case you want to hook something onto it. And then moving on to the back of the bag, this is where you'll find the blue adjustable strap. And then it has a black clip, which you can use to clip to yourself. And then there's also some Cordura fabric branding on it. And the entire back portion of the bag is made of that blue camo Cordura fabric. And then moving up to the top of the bag, there's like a little backpack loop on the top, as well as 2 little clips on either side, which you can use to attach the strap that comes with the bag. So I think this is a really nice feature. I haven't seen any of the Supreme waist bags come with this before, so it does have another strap that comes in the bag when you buy it. I think that's a nice little feature. This is an adjustable strap with the blue camo fabric, so just a nice little touch. I haven't seen that before. And then on one side of the bag, there is a mesh pocket that has a flap over it that is secured with the black clip. So if you want to get into that, you just unclip it, and then you can put whatever you want into it. I would probably put something that you want to keep secure in, but you also want to have quick access to. So this would be good to like throw your keys in there just so you can easily get to them. But they also won't easily fall out just because this black clip secures it. And then on the other side of the bag, there's another mesh pocket, but this one doesn't have the flap over it. This one just has an adjustable drawstring instead. And then there's also a little red Supreme tab, which most of the other bags that have released in the past seasons have had that as well. And I thought this was a water bottle pocket, but I honestly don't know if you'd be able to fit a water bottle in here. This pocket's like really small, so I don't know what you'd put in here. You definitely probably won't be able to fit a water bottle in here unless you like squeeze it in there, but I don't know if you'll want to do that. So kind of wish this was a little bit bigger just so you could fit an actual water bottle in here. I think that would have been a nice feature, but that pretty much sums up all the features on the outside of the bag. Now I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like on the inside, so let's get right into it. And to get to the main compartment of the bag, you have to undo these 2 clips on either side, so I'm going to do that right now. And then once you do that, you'll have access to the front compartment. But before I show you that, there is a little secret compartment that's behind like the box logo portion of the bag. And you can just unzip that, and as you can see, there's just another little pouch, which I think is pretty cool. I didn't know this was on there. So that's it for that portion. Now I'm going to show you what the main compartment of the bag looks like. So here's what the main compartment of the bag looks like. As you can see, it's pretty spacious. You can definitely fit a bunch of stuff in here. Like you could fit all your keys and wallet and stuff, as well as like a water bottle or something. So definitely a lot of space in here just to fit all your belongings in. And there is one inner compartment inside of the main compartment, and it unzips. And here's what it looks like on the inside. It's a pretty small compartment, so I don't know what you'd put in there, maybe like your wallet or something in case you wanted to keep it a little bit more secure. So that pretty much sums up all the features of this bag. So now I'm going to throw it on just so you can see what it looks like on a person. So let's get right into it. So now onto the on-body portion of this video, and as you can see, I have the bag crossbody just because that's mostly how I see people wear this bag in public. And I did put some clothes in here just to give you like a realistic look of what it would look like if you have stuff in it. And just for a size perspective, I am 6'1", so it's not like I'm really small or anything. And this bag covers up my entire torso. So just keep that in mind if you're like shorter than me, or even if you're taller than me, this bag would look really good on you. Here's what it looks like. You can see the Supreme branding, the box logo right there. So this bag does look really good. It's just really big in my opinion. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So that could be a good thing or a bad thing depending on what you wanted. And the branding is pretty noticeable in this. Now, it wasn't really too noticeable in the shoulder bag. So if you want something that's a little bit more noticeable for a crossbody bag, definitely get this one instead, just because the branding is a little bit more out. So if that's like a big deal for you, definitely get this one over the shoulder bag just because it has that box logo so people know it's Supreme. But overall, it's a really nice bag. It has a lot of space on the inside, so this would be perfect for traveling, just to fit all your stuff in it, like your passport, your wallet, your keys, like all your essential stuff. So if you want to have all that quick access, but you don't want to put it in your backpack, definitely get one of these just because it's definitely a good bag for that, and you can fit other stuff in there obviously as well, just because of how big the bag is. So that's it for the on-body portion. Now on to the rest of the video. So that wraps up my review of the Spring Summer 20 waist bag. Make sure to drop a comment down below what you think of this season's waist bag and if you think it's better than last season's. And then in the future, I will be releasing a comparison video between the Spring Summer 20 waist bag and the Fall Winter 19 waist bag, just to show you the similarities and differences between the two, just in case you're on the fence of buying either one of them. Hopefully that video will help you decide between the two. And with that being said, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you would, please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, just so you can see the next time I upload a video. I'll be releasing reviews of all the Supreme bags that released this season. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.